Owning a domain name in Web3 comes with a lot of benefits. Those that minted the ANS back then, they got benefits for their mint. They got some airdrops that was life-changing, and most of them can attest to the fact that owning a domain name can actually bring good fortune. Hi, my name is Aqua, and right on your screen you can see this is the UniSat extension. What I am going to teach you today is how you can mint your own .sats domain name. This particular domain name is on the Bitcoin network, and this is a new development in the crypto space. So how do you mint your own SAT domain name? Let me click on this so you can see that this is not any form of screenshot. So you can see right here that is aqua.sats, which I just minted some minutes ago. You can see 37 minutes ago. So I'm also going to teach you how to do exactly this for yourself, and doing this will actually position you for great benefits in the future, perhaps for airdrops and other benefits relating to this particular network, Bitcoin network. All right, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to get a Bitcoin supporting wallet, Web3 wallet, not an exchange wallet, not Binance wallet, not ByBit wallet, a wallet that supports Bitcoin. And one of them is UniSat right on your screen. Another one is Xverse. There is another one called Ordinals wallet. All right, so for the sake of this video, I'm using the UniSat wallet. However, when minting this domain name on your screen, I ensure that I took screenshot of every process I took. So I'm going to be taking you down the journey of all the processes, all the steps that I took in ensuring that I got this minted. All right, so let me just run through everything that I did. The first thing is I got my wallet. I created a wallet on UniSat, and I copied my wallet address, which is here. After copying my wallet address, I went to Binance. All right, so I went to Binance and I purchased USDT on P2P, since I am a Nigerian. And after purchasing USDT through P2P, I swapped my USDT to BTC. All right, once I swapped my USDT to BTC, then I withdrew and I went ahead to mint. All right, so let us go straight to the step-by-step process like I said. All right, so I am using my phone. If you are using your phone, go to Play Store and install MEXC Browser. All right, once you install MEXC Browser, MEXC is spelled MEXCS. Let me spell it so you can see. MEXCS. All right, so once you install MEXC Browser, you open the MEXC Browser, and on the search area, ensure that you click on this and search for UniSat extension right on your screen. So once you search for UniSat extension, you click on it, and once you click on it, it takes you to this page where you would see a button identified as add to Chrome. Right on my own screen you can see remove from Chrome, but on your own screen you would see add to Chrome. So once you add to Chrome, you would be able to create a wallet. All right, so automatically there will be a pop-up. However, if you don't get a pop-up, all you need to do is to click on this icon right here. That is the extensions icon. So what this browser does is that it gives you access to wallet extensions. All right, just as if you are on your personal computer instead of using a mobile phone. All right, that is what this browser, this MEXC Browser, does for you. Okay, so once you do that, once you click on that particular icon, it brings out the list of all your wallets. All right, so you would find UniSat wallets down here. So all you need to do is to click on the wallets. All right, so once you click on the wallets, you would have zero balance just like it's on the screen. All you need to do is just to copy that address. All right, so once you copy the address, just go to your Binance account. All right, go to your Binance app. If you do not have a Binance app, just quickly create one. I'll drop the link to create one in the description of this video. Quickly create one, and once you create one and you install the app and you log in, this is where your this is where you are going to get to. Just click on wallet, follow the arrows. All right, the arrows on my video, just follow them. Go to wallet. Once you go to wallet, go to funding. Once you go to funding, go to P2P. all right, go to P2P. So what this particular section is going to teach you is how to buy USDT on P2P, how to trade using P2P. So click on P2P right here. Once you click on P2P, it's taking you to this particular P2P interface. Then click on amount right here. All right, so once you click on amount, you edit the price, the amount that you want to buy right there. So let's say you want to buy 20,000 naira worth, you buy 20,000 naira worth of USDT. Remember, you're on USDT, you're on buy. All right, and confirm. So once you confirm, the money will be in your funding wallet. All right, okay, once you confirm, sorry, we haven't bought, we just want to adjust the price. Once you confirm, it will readjust. All right, so you would see these people willing to sell. So all you need to do is to click on buy. Once you click on buy, you enter the amount you want to buy and click on buy with 0 fees. So once you are done buying, all you need to do is to transfer. All right, once you go back on, you will see transfer. Click on transfer and you will be taken to this interface. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that the from is on funding and the to is on spot wallet. So once you do that, you need to also ensure that this is on USDT. Automatically it's on BTC, but once you click on it, you search and you change it to USDT. So once you are done, you click on confirm transfer below. So once you confirm transfer, the next thing you need to do is to sell your USDT and buy BTC. So what we did under this transfer is to transfer funds from funding to spot wallets. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to click on trade. Let me show you where trade is. This is trade below. This is trade right here. Let me take this away. This is trade right here. Remember, we used wallet the other time, that's why it's yellow, but this time we are using trade. Okay, so once you click on trade, it's going to take you to an interface. All right, and you need to search for BTC USDT. All right, so this is the page for you to change. On your own, you might have AERGO USDT, but change this. First click on this. That's the first thing to click on. Click on it, search for BTC/USDT. Just if you click on BTC, it will bring out a drop down where you would have the option to click BTC/USDT. So once you've done that, you'll be taken back to this particular page that you are seeing. So the next thing you need to do is to click on limits. All right, and change it to market. So what we are doing right now, we've successfully traded using the P2P. Now we want to trade using the spot platform. All right, that's what we are doing right now. So once you confirm, once you change the limits to markets, then you need to input the price. So you can see we are changing from limits to markets. Then we will enter the price. So once you enter the price, you click on buy BTC. All right, so once you click on buy BTC, your BTC would reflect in your wallet. So the next thing you need to do is to withdraw. All right, still on spots wallet, click on withdraw. All right, click on withdraw, then you search for BTC and you enter. Remember, we've gone back to wallet. We are no longer on trades. You can see we've gone back to wallet. We are on spots and we want to withdraw. Those three things are important. So once you do that, you get to this page, you search for BTC and you select BTC. All right, once you select BTC, you select via crypto network. All right, not via email, via crypto network. Remember the address that we copied when we started. All right, so this is where you are going to paste the address. You paste the address, ensure that the network you select here is Bitcoin. All right, then input the amount of BTC you want to withdraw. All right, that is the amount that you probably bought using the spots trading. So you select the wallets from, which is spots instead of funding, because that's where your BTC is. Then once you are done with that, then click on withdrawal. All right, so once you click on withdrawal, the withdrawal will be complete, and you can see this is the wallet that you need to select. This is the wallet you need to copy to withdraw to. So your withdrawal will be processing, and after some time you find your money in your wallet. All right, your UniSat wallet. Okay, so once you go back to your UniSat wallet, you refresh, you find this. So the next thing we need to do is to go ahead to mint our sats domain name .sats domain name. So the next thing you need to do is to open a new browser and search for unisat.io. You can see it right there, see it right here, unisat.io. So once you do that, the first thing you need to do is to connect, just like the arrow on the screen says, connect. Once you connect, then you will find your wallet at the top right here. This means that you've connected your wallet. All right, so I set my screen to desktop mode so that you can see very clearly. All right, you can also do the same. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to click on inscribe right here. So you can see when it was not on desktop mode, look at these icons. This is home right here, this is wallet, this is inscribe, this is search, and so on. But when I set my browser to desktop mode, you can see everything is now clear. We now have home, wallet, inscribe, search, BRC20, and marketplace, and you can see a fuller version of my wallet address here. So all I need to do is to search for, I'll click on inscribe. All right, according to the green button right here. So click on inscribe. How do you set your wallet to, how do you set your screen to desktop mode? All you need to do is to click on this icon right here, and once you click on the icon, there will be a drop down. Just scroll down, you will see desktop sites. All right, so once you are here, click on inscribe. Once you click on inscribe, click on .sats right here, click on this one, follow the green arrow. Okay, once you click on it, to take you to this particular page. So this is where you enter your domain name, the one that you want to use. All right, if you want to use a personal name, let's say your personal name is Alfred and you want to use Alfred, so you type alfred.sats. all right, my own name is Aqua and this is aqua.sats. Once I'm done, I click on next, and you can see it is available. If it is not available, you have to go back and search for another name which is available. So once you click on that, just click on next. Once you click on next, it takes you to this page. All right, all you need to do is to click on submit and pay by invoice. Look at the green arrow right here, submit and pay by invoice. So once you click on submit and pay, it loads and it says pay with wallet. All right, pay with wallet, which means you are paying with your wallet address, because we sent BTC to this particular wallet. So we are paying with wallets and we need to sign. So once you click on this pay with wallet, there will be a pop-up. All right, there will be a pop-up on your screen on the MEXC browser where you have to sign. So this is the prompt. So you click on sign and send. All right, so once you click on sign and send, then you see your transaction complete. Okay, so you can see the amount 0.00005 BTC, which is very, very affordable. All right, so you can see aqua.sat green right there. So if you go back to your wallet, you should find this unconfirmed. All right,